பண்ணணும்னு எனக்கு ஆசைம்மா. இதெல்லாம் இப்படிலாம் டென்ஷனா எடுத்தா எனக்கு இஷ்டமே இல்லடா.
Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Okay, I know it's very dark here, but yeah, after a while I'll enable my video. I feel okay with light.
Is this Lucis Park? Is this called Lucis Park?
What is it?
Is this like board called Lucis Park?
Is this?
Did it come from the website Lucis Park?
No. Why do you, meaning I didn't get your question. Which one is it you're asking?
I was asking if this board was from like this website called like Lucis Park.
No. Make sense? Okay. How was the homework, guys? Did you have any questions?
No.
I didn't have any questions.
Didn't have any questions. Okay.
Miss Priya, I finished the last week's homework.
Oh, that's nice, Johan. Very nice.
Wait, it's Vion. Yeah.
I did the Alchemist, but I couldn't really
Yeah,
get to
Vian,
the
I'm
board
sorry,
unit 4.
Johan. What is it, ma?
I did the Alchemist, but I couldn't get to the rest of Unit 4. I only have like 2 left.
Rest of the unit 4. See, that is okay, ma. Doesn't matter. My unit 4, I'm going to review anyway today. You see, I just want to know where each of you are. We will continue with unit 3 as well. I go back and forth between 3 and 4. Doesn't matter. Okay? But Aradhya, how are you with Alchemist? Would you like to share
It's
screen and
good.
show today?
Yes.
Would you like to? Yeah, I would like to see each of yours. Would you
Could I
mind?
also share my screen today?
Okay.
Yeah, would be very nice. Who all wants to? I mean, we'll go one by one. Can we do that?
I can share my screen also. I can too.
Wow. Okay, guys. I know the space I am in is a little dark. I will enable it a little later. Okay. I'll enable my video, nice video, a little later. Okay. So now, Aradhya, you want to go ahead and share the Alchemist? I want to discuss a little bit more on the Alchemist. Please.
Yes.
Can you go ahead and share? Yeah.
Yes. Let me just pull it up.
Yeah, go ahead. Because once we do that exercise, right, you all will be on track and you'll do a lot of practice problems at home. So it is completely free, right? So you should try. Go ahead. You want to share with me, ma?
Yeah.
Sure. Are you going to share screen, ma?
Yeah. Just
Please do.
It says I can't share screen
Why?
because of the whiteboard.
Ms.
Because of the
Priya,
whiteboard. Yeah.
when you sent that alchemist thing, I just took a screenshot of my progress and I sent it to you in the
Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay, that's nice. Sure. Yeah.
last class you said to do 3.4, but you didn't put an assignment for that in Google Classroom, so I sent it with the alchemist.
Oh, very sweet lady. Thank you. Okay. So now let me stop sharing to see whether you are able to. No?
Okay, now I am.
Oh, I didn't know that. Go ahead. Okay, Aradhya, can I come to you a little later? You can check how to do. Vian, can you share? Just that window. Just show where you are. So I want you all to get started very nicely. Send the Alchemist progress to me in the Google Classroom. Okay, that's nice. Then I want to see that, guys, because you're all new to it. Hey, Avi, how did you do?
So can you see my screen?
1 minute, Amma. I was checking for the others. Give me a minute. I wanted to check for the others. Give me 1 minute, okay? I don't know why. Honestly, okay, I didn't think that you guys would submit it in Google Classroom, so I did not check it. It was my bad. Sorry. Let's see. Abhinav, okay, wait. Okay, first let me see your screens. Okay, go ahead.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, Vian.
I saw.
Yes, Vian, we're able to.
It was hard to get to 98.
Just go.
because after I was on 96 for a long time. I kept on like answering the questions, but they weren't going up.
I know. See, that's the intent of practicing. That is why I gave you should attain at least 97 or 98. You got it now?
Yeah.
Good. Can you go
Oh.
there, Vian? Go to Alchemist show so that it helps all of us, not only you. Try.
How do I do the question?
No. Oh, yeah, show where you are. Just show us the screen of Alchemist. Wherever you are in, it's fine.
Wait, can you see my screen?
We are able to see only some Frisco HD and dashboard. Nothing else.
Actually, let me see one thing.
Yeah. Vaibhav, were you able to do Vaibhav?
Yeah.
Did you do Alchemist?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy doing it?
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Let's see. Vianish. This is what we want to see, Vian. See, you guys are doing it for the first time. I know it's going to take time. Arihan, I want you to show as well, Arihan. Okay.
I have a question. Why is your room so dark?
Room, that is a full story. I have to let you know. Okay. We are not home. Okay. So my daughter is attending a test. Okay. I am in the closet taking the class for 15 minutes till she finishes the test. Does that give you the reason? So once she is done, I'll go back to my routine and I can have the class from there.
Is there no light on the room?
No light. See, this is not my home. There is no light in the closet. You got it? That is why I'm sorry about it. Okay. Okay. Now, good job. See, okay. Can you go to change focus, Vian? Okay. Wonderful. See,
so,
this is what
you didn't assign reciprocals, but I just did it for fun.
No, please. See, going further, there is nothing like assigning. Okay. The more you do, the better you are. You all got it? The more and more you do, the better you are. Okay, each of you don't have to wait for me to assign. When it is done in class, we are going by order. When you look at this alchemy screen, right? Please, guys, all of you see the screen. Addition, multiplication, negative, subtraction, reciprocals, division, squares, general positive exponents, order of operations, negative zero exponents, multiples, divisibility. And last week only we covered prime and composite basics. We covered prime factorization. We have covered, correct? So till this, you can keep going. Okay, I don't need to assign. You know what? We have a class next week. Okay, but probably if I end up canceling the class, when you look at the calendar, dates are in blue for next week. That means I don't know if I have some mandatory sessions I'll have to attend in the evenings on Thursdays. I will end up canceling the class. In that case, your makeup class will be the following week. Okay, and the fall classes start from the second week of August. I will send out all the details to all your moms and dads. If moms and dads ask about it, please let them know. Okay, so now that you have a couple of weeks, if suppose we end up having a break next week, canceling class, right? I really do not want you to waste your time. Okay, meaning if you leave a day or two without math practice, it will not be productive. Okay, meaning the form will go, you lose practice. So every single day, do at least 10 problems. Do at least 15 problems in Alchemist. Okay, in 6 months, you'll see a big change in yourself. So till prime factorization, you can do anything. Any questions for me? Till prime factorization, you can definitely go ahead and do anything. Any questions for me? Any questions? So good job, Vian. First 4 you have done, right? Like that, try to get up slowly one by one. For next week, I'm definitely going to assign reciprocals, divisions, squares, general positive exponents, and order of operations. Okay, because we might also have a break, right? So I really want you all to complete till order of operations. Arihan, you want to share now, or Aradhya, you're sharing? Quick,
I'm going to stop share.
Yeah, thank you, Vian. But very good job. Are you enjoying doing this?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
It's really
Go
fun.
ahead. Nice. You know what? There is something called for the win. Do you all know about it?
No.
And how many of you are practicing for math counts? See, if I discuss all this, my class will go. That is also another thing. How many of you are practicing for math counts? How many of you are going to appear for math counts? Okay, do you all know math counts?
No.
No.
No. Okay. Okay, okay. Aradhya, are you going to share screen? Or I'm going to ask Arihan to share screen.
Yeah, you could ask him because I have to figure out what's happening right now.
Okay, no problem,
new
Aradhya. Don't get tensed at all. It's another class. Sometimes I also have difficulties, right? So, Arihan, do you want to share screen? Vaibhav, are you ready to share screen and show what you did in Alchemist?
I can share the screen too.
Yeah, please. Okay. Avi, go ahead. I'll come to Arihan next. Go ahead. Nice, Avi. Very nice to see that you're ready. Just show us what you did and that's enough. We'll keep moving. See, for a week, I'll do this exercise. After that, I want you to send screenshots because this just wastes my class time. Okay. But for you to get going, I have to tell you more. Let me see. Go ahead, quick.
I can't find the screen share button right now.
It's a green uploading button basically.
Oh yeah, the share button.
Yeah. Then you
Okay.
just choose which image you're sharing on.
Okay. There we go. Okay.
Good job. Wow. Impressive. Very nice, Avi. But oh wow, you did reciprocals as well. Avi, make sure you go to the end. Just don't leave with the blue. Okay, go to the end. Okay.
Yeah, I think I just left reciprocals and division, but
Yeah. See, I have not even assigned. I'm just telling, meaning it's a thing for everybody, not just you. Okay, like see, he has done great. He has done reciprocals as well, which was not even assigned division. Now what he can do is he can do more problems. So problems will be complicated. One another thing, Avi, you can do is now you go back to hard. In your profile, if you change it to hard, you can go back to the same topics and redo some problems. They'll be very hard. Make sense?
I don't know. It was already at hard.
Oh wow, good job. Very nice job, Avi. Then if in hard you've gotten this, that's great. Can you go into one of these? Let me see. And one another thing, that Sharon, all of you, please note down whatever we are discussing. Go to one of these, subtract, go into that. Any one of that.
I'll just do one.
Done once. Yeah, anyone, whichever you're comfortable. See, here, when you look at the screen, his screen, right? Do you see 62? He has solved 65 problems, which is wonderful to see. Do you see it? So it's not like, see, the more you do, the better your foundation will be. So number of problems, see, he has done only 3 mistakes, which is nice to see. So this also tells you how many problems you do. If you get a 98 and all, definitely you will touch 50, 60 problems, which is wonderful, nice. So that's why I give you this. Okay, this is how you see how many problems you solve. On the right side, do you see 62 to 65? That is the number of problems you solve. Okay, now, Avi, would you mind if I show you other things on the screen? Can you go to resources? Yeah. See, 1 minute. In that resources, do you all see math counts trainer and for the win, guys? That Charan, do you see? Vaibhav, do you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you go to for the win? Go to for the win. See, I'll tell you what these are, okay? From now on, you have to take it up, okay? I can't do that in the class. Here, this is a game, basically, okay? 2 of you who are very good friends, right, can go join. Go, play. Click on the button, play. Click on the button, play. Click. It's okay. Okay. You see, there are no games in progress. So what you can do? Wait. Avi. Let's do a new game, Avi. Can you make up a new game?
I don't think so. But I don't have like the parent guardian and group my accounts.
See, then you cannot play. This is a wonderful way of equipping yourself for speed. Okay, what For the win does is it will give you 10 problems. Okay, you can set a timer for every question. You can set, okay,
Well, I can create the game.
What's the I need 1 second. You can create a game. Okay, go ahead. Then you share. I have the closet light, guys. I didn't know that there was a light. Okay. Go ahead. Play.
73.
Do I click this button?
Yeah. Please, all of you listen once, and after that, yeah. Wait. Number of players, you just say one. You're the only player. You can play for yourself. You don't have to wait for anybody. Number of problems, 10 seconds per problem. Maybe you have it as 30, because I want you to try one. Meaning, number of problems, can you please put it as 5 or 3? You do
I'll
it
do
after
5.
the class. Yeah, do 3. Okay, I want to move to the class
It's
as
not
well. I
letting
want
me go
to.
down.
Oh,
It's not letting me
okay. Okay. Do 5 or whatever minimum. Rated spectators, no. Password, no. Okay, you can go create game.
I kind of went out of the page. Wait, let me just send
That's
this
okay.
back.
That's okay. Do it again.
Do I just do create game now?
Yes. Okay. Now, guys, see the questions that are going to come. Please do it. You can do by yourself. Just math, right? You don't need anybody's help on all these. See, these questions are on the harder end, but you can still try. See, 2011/7. You have to answer in 30 seconds.
Yeah, okay.
So if anybody has an answer, please, as a team, we can finish this.
Oh, so
Go to
just
the next one. Yeah, it just goes. It's like it will give you problems. See, now this one seems easy. TV screen measures 24/16. If each dimension is increased by 20%, 20% increase means how much? First of all,
120% increase.
So what happens to 24? What happens to 16? 20% increase means, so what percentage is the area increased? Gone. So what you can do is, for the time see, naturally only when you see the questions, you'll know how hard it is. So increase the timer, 60 seconds per question. This one, see here, f of x is this, f of 1. First, substitute x equal to 1 in all of these, find it. Then subtract f of 0 means subtract 0 in all of this, find f of 0. Then find 2, substitute x equal to 2 in all of these, find f of 2. So you have to do the given operation. So these are hard, definitely hard. So increase the time for the first few days, for the first few months, increase the time, then slowly decrease your time. Okay, this is how you practice for speed. See, this one is easy. We learned this. 3 power 3x equal to 81. Then what is the value of x? Who can tell me quick? What is the value of x? 3 by 4. 3 power of 3x equal to 3 power of 4, right? So you can equate 3x and 4, right?
So
x equal to 3 by 4.
So yeah.
X, yeah. So this one is something we learned. It takes time for you guys. So you can have the timer for 60 seconds. Okay, so this is the way for the win works. Okay, those of you who are going to try math count should try math count trainer. Okay, now no math count trainer today. Please, let's move. Oh, you want to try? Okay, check.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you an input on that. See, math count trainer, I'll tell you how it works. See, go to play. See, oh my God, can you switch off the sound, please? Okay, so when you look at this, right, here, the biggest problem with math count trainer is, unless you solve, see, your rating should go to at least 35, meaning you should do at least 25-30 problems without mistakes. Then your rating goes up. Only when you reach a school rating of, say, 20, I don't know what is the exact number, then it will open out the chapter questions. Level 1, level 2, level 3. You have to unlock each level after finishing up the previous level. Any questions on this? Okay, when you think about these problems, right, they're not hard at all. They bought 2 dozen apples for $15.60. At the same rate, how much would 3 dozen apple of these apples cost? So what do? Divide by 2 and then add that. So it will be 7.30 added to whatever is existing and then write the answer.
Wait,
Got it?
wait, 7.3, isn't it 7.8?
7,
Yeah,
yeah,
isn't
7, yeah,
7.8?
7.8. I'm sorry. Yes.
So it would be 7.8 times 3,
23.4.
which is
Correct.
23.4. Yeah.
Correct. If you answer that, then, but by just answering one question, your rating doesn't go up. It has to go to a lot of questions. Then once your rating goes up, then your chapter level will open, which is level 2. In chapter level, you have to solve again 45, 50 questions. Then it will open up state level questions. This is how you prepare for math counts. Any questions, guys? Okay, now I want to go. Okay, we'll stop and you can do this at home, please. Okay. If you have any questions where you are stuck, bring it back to class. Okay, Vaibhav, are you ready to share?
Wait,
Vaibhav and Viraj, are you ready to share? It's okay. Vian, you can do it later.
Yeah.
Vaibhav, Viraj, are you ready to share?
Miss Priya, so basically what happened was like when I was doing the problems, I was doing a lot, and then like it wouldn't like my score wouldn't update, so I didn't know that you have to keep doing it. I thought it was like some glitch or something, so I didn't fully do all of them. But
Oh, that's okay, Viraj. See, no problem. See, there is no pressure for everybody to share. Okay, that also I'll tell you. But once you start sharing, then you get more motivated. Or once you see somebody's screen, you get more motivated. You can do it next week. Is that okay, Viraj? Next week
yeah,
you can share. Make sense? Yeah. See, Vaibhav, wonderful Vaibhav. Vaibhav, what happened? Why did you stop? I'm still seeing. I didn't see fully. Would you mind sharing again? Okay, great. Okay, great. Okay, so you all see, very nice Vaibhav. You want to go into the first one ma or the second one? See, he just started. Meaning he's very new to the class. Okay, and he's very young, so it's okay. Go to the second one, Vaibhav. Yeah. Do you see, Vaibhav, how many questions you solved? So when you get to the blue, when you saw the others, right, they had solved 60 to 65. So it all takes a lot of time, Vaibhav. So
Oh, I
whenever
thought you
you
only
have
had to
time,
do
sit
it
and do.
once. I thought you only had to do
Which
it
one?
once. So like
That-
when it suddenly changed, I thought you were done.
Oh, yeah. I get it, Vaibhav. Only when you see others, you'll know, right? That's why I wanted 2-3 people to share. Don't worry about it. These are all
Okay.
learning. Okay. So the thing is, Vaibhav, it will automatically switch every time. Meaning when you cross the blue as well, it will automatically switch to the next topic. But don't go back to the previous topic. Finish more till 98. You're in a 73, right? Yeah. That's how we work. Okay. Any questions? All clarified now?
Yeah.
Okay, so see, you have break week as well. So with all this, you can compensate and try to finish whatever you can, whatever topics finish. You don't have, you're not bound. I'm not going to assign this every time, but basically, the minimum expected out of you from Alchemist, I'll assign. But on top of it, how much you do benefits you. Got it?
Okay.
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 Neil, did you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
But like, how do you get to the part where you like go to the progress and all that?
How do you get to the progress? You want to share and show us, or you don't want to share? If you don't want to share, I respect it.
I don't think I want to share yet.
Okay, so what is the clarification you have?
But I have like a problem on mine. It's like I can't find where to do to like get the bars to show how much I've done.
Okay. I don't know. Meaning, I don't know. Then how to help you, Neil? You want to show or how? I don't get it. Go to Alchemist.
What you have to do is when you click change focus, it'll like show the bars.
Okay.
Does it sound good?
Yeah.
You're listening to the lesson. Okay. Done, guys. Okay. Neil, did that answer your question? Neil?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, is it possible to get like all 100 on it?
I know of people, meaning I know of people who do Alchemist like crazy. Okay. They have not gotten 100. Like crazy. They have done 4,000 problems. Okay, 5,000 problems. They have
How
not
much did
gotten
I
100.
miss?
Huh?
Did they get all of them right?
Not really. Have you seen the profile where it tells you how many problems you've done till date?
Oh yeah.
So when you go there, it will tell, right, how many problems you got right. Nobody will get 5,000 out of a 5,000.
Yeah.
When they solve 5,000, some of them would be in orange. Both times they would have gotten it wrongly. One time they would have gotten it wrongly. Sometimes that is green. Blue means the first try itself you got it right, and sometimes they give up and find out the answer. Okay, I would say don't give up. You see, it's okay to go with 2 mistakes, but then don't give up. Make sense? Okay, they are such people who do that 5,000, 6,000 problems and all, they have not gotten 100. So it's hard. Okay, can I move on now? That's
Yeah.
what is your question? I apparently thought, okay, but apparently I didn't. It's okay. Try this next week. Okay.
Because like it switched.
It's it's like Vaibhav, right? See, that is why I'm asking you to share screen and show. So every one of you will know what is going on. The intent is only that. Okay. With that, now you understood, right? That?
Yeah. So you just have to go back to it.
Yes. Go back, set new focus, go back to the same topic and do. Okay. See, Vaibhav, that also faced the same scenario like you. Okay. Now, I want to really go to fractions. Can I share my whiteboard? Okay, guys. Okay. You're all seeing my board?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can I ask you a question from last week? How many let's see. I want to revise last week. Okay, how many of you did the Eratosthenes sieve of Eratosthenes? How many of you worked on that?
I did.
Who else did?
I looked at the book, like I looked
Okay.
at the book, like the
Okay.
page 112.
Uh-huh.
I looked in like read how to like make the sieve of it. Like what is it? Like how to make
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
But I didn't have time to make it.
Make it. Okay. So how many prime numbers are there till 100? Who can answer this question? How many prime numbers are there till 100?
I can.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Avi.
There's 25.
Wonderful. Did you make it, Avi? Did you
Yeah,
make the see? See,
Yeah,
that
I did, but I lost it.
that's okay. See, when you practically sit and do, right, you will sit and count. You will know how many are there. That is why I'm asking you to do it with your hand once. You will just remember, oh, there are 25. When I go to 60s, what are the prime numbers? If I ask you, immediately you'll know. To that level, if you know, it's always better to know prime numbers by heart till 100. Okay. Now, let me move on. How many factors are there? Good, Avi. Continue. How many factors till 100 do we have? How many factors of 100 do we have? Do you remember how to do that using prime factorization?
No, I forgot.
You
I
all
remember.
forgot. Okay, yeah, because this was the last question we discussed last week. So 100, I'll prime factorize it to what? 50, 2, then 2, 25, then 5, 5. So 100, I'll write it down as 5 squared times 2 squared. Now, here I increase the exponents number by 1.
So
3
it's 3 times 3. So it's 9.
9. Yeah, 9. Good job. So now how many factors? Let's say how many factors? Vaibhav, did you get it? Vaibhav?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So how many factors does 80 have? You're all going to send it in chat.
Like how many different factors?
Yeah, how many different factors? Yes.
Is my answer correct?
I really appreciate it. One second, ma'am. You might have to resend to me, I think, please. 5 or 6, 7, I doubt. 5. What is this, guys? 10. Okay, Neil, good job. That 50, how 50 that? I told you how to prime factorize and get it, right?
Wait, what did I add? I don't know.
I can help you if you want to. See, just prime factorize, increase the okay.
Wait.
Avi is at 5. I feel like something is wrong. I'll work it out on the board. Aradhya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I just sent.
Oh, you just sent. Okay, I didn't see your answer. Aradhya, okay. I think you're right. Avi, is that right? Is your answer right? 80, right? I don't know. 80, 2, 40, 2,
22,
20,
10,
2,
5.
10, 2, 5. So 80 can be written as 2 power of 4 times 5 power of 1, right?
Yeah.
Now what happens? Avi, okay, I know what mistakes you guys did.
So 5 to the power of 2,
Exponent,
5
right?
times 2
5
then.
times 2. So
Yeah.
it'll have total of 10 factors.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I did that.
Okay. Now, okay, how about this one more time? How many factors? How many distinct factors does 150 have? Quick, come on. We are dwelling on the same thing, but yeah, it's okay. Go ahead. I really want to go to LCM GCD, but I'm going to skip that and go to question other fourth chapter. I want to keep going with chapter 4 because I want to know how much of fractions you know. I'll come back to 3. I'll come back to 3 next week. Next week, if we cancel, we'll have the class following week, which is not in our calendar at all, but we'll have it during the break week. I want to solve from 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Let's see.
Wait, did I get it right?
1 second, one second. I was checking for 151. Okay, let me see. Viraj, is that right? I don't think that's right. Sarvata, okay. Aradhya, no. Avi, correct. That, no. Vian, correct. Sharan, no. Vaibhav, it's a lot. Okay. See, okay. See, how will you write the factors of 150? See, guys, practically, if you want to do, you'll start with 1 and the number 150. This is how I find out factors. Then you'll go through all the numbers between 1 and 150. See how long it's taking. 2 and a 75. Then I'll go through all the numbers between 2 and 75. The next number is 3. Is 3 a factor of 150? Does 3 go evenly in 150? Yes. So 3 and a 50. Then I'll go through all the numbers between 3 and 50. So 4 will not go. 5 and 30. Then will 6 go? Yes. 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. I'll go through all the numbers between 6 and 25. What are they? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goes. When you think about it, 10 and 15, but in between I don't see anything. So how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
12.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12 factors are there. How long did we take for this simple problem? The easiest way is prime factorize 150. Prime factorization means you're going to split it into 75, then 5, 15, 5, 3. Write it out as a product of prime numbers. So 150 will be 2 times 2 power 1, 5 power 2 times 3 power 1. How to find out the number of factors is just increase the exponents. 2, 3, 2. Multiply all and tell the answer. That will get you the number of factors. 6 times 12. So totally there are 12 factors. How easy and quick this is when compared to this. Make sense? Can I move on? Okay, now I'm going to get going with chapter 4. Chapter 4, I'm thinking all of you would have studied, but I just want to know where we are on that, okay? Let's see. I don't know where you are, but let's see. How about this problem, guys? Can you do it by yourself? Let me know, okay? Meaning you just need to order, okay? So the points A, B, C, D, number line, we are on chapter 4. I'll go back and forth between 3 and 4 and I want to fly with chapter 4 because that's a topic that you all know already. The points A, B, C, D on the number line below correspond to the numbers minus 8 by 4, 11 by 6, 7 by 6, minus 1 by 3. You need to be careful. Match each point. So when you send the answer to me, you're going to send 4 answers. You will be sending what is B point, what is C point, what is A point, what is D point. Let me see. I'm waiting. Viraj, what is that answer 8, Viraj?
Oh, that's from before. I didn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, are we correct? Okay, so this one, see how easy it is flying. Correct, ma, Aradhya. Hey, Aradhya, okay. Yeah, correct, Charan. Good job, Charan. Vian, correct. Sarvata, correct, ma. Good job, Vaibhav. Very nice. Viraj, correct. See, this is where I'm saying fourth chapter will fly. Neil, where is your answer?
I'm still solving it. I'm almost done.
Okay, now I'm going to give you a challenge. Let's see whether you all remember what to do. Okay, order in ascending order. Okay, let's see where we are. Okay, okay. Neil, I will wait for your answer on that one. Wait, I'm not able to write. What is going on?
I just set my answer.
Send your answer. Okay. Let me see. What did you send? Give me a minute, guys. Oh, yes. Neil, good job. That's right. So that is easy on all of you. So you all know negative fractions and real fractions. Good. Order in ascending order. Okay. So I want you to go ahead with minus 3.5 minus 1 by 3 minus 11, 44 point. Okay, let's take it as 0.4 and 40%. 4% or 4%. Let me see. I don't have any idea whether you all know percentages well or whatever. Order the following in ascending order. Order the following numbers in ascending order. One clue I'll give you. Okay. If you think of a number line, the more you go to the left of the number line, the lower the value. The more you go to the right on the number line, the higher is the value of the number. On a number line, the leftmost, when you go further left, the value decreases. Right, when you go right, go, keep on going to your right, the value of your number increases. Leon, good job. Yeah, Avi, good job. Okay, that. Thanks for the note. Sarvata, good job. Would be nice to get answers from everybody.
You erased it.
I erased it, huh? Okay, I won't. Sorry. Arihan, where is the answer, Arihan? I'm eagerly waiting to get your answers.
Is mine correct?
Yes, Aradhya, I noted the note that you gave me. I will do it for you. There was something that you have mentioned, right? I will go over that.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I
ma.
forgot to like message the hard things that were in the test. So after class, I can tell you it.
Sure. Well, I didn't understand what you said, but whatever it is, after the class, I'll definitely do. What was it about, Vian?
You told me that the hard things that were on the test, email it to me, like on my mom's phone. I forgot to do that, so I'll just tell it to you.
Please. Yeah. Would love to. So that the next year kids will be benefited, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, correct, ma. Neil good. Charan, good. Mm-hmm.
Miss Priya, if mine's correct, can I explain it?
Yeah, sure. Why don't you, Viraj? Vaibhav, it's fine. Meaning, I know that everything is new here, right? For you? Which one is new, Vaibhav? You tell us. Which of these numbers you know how to order, Vaibhav?
What?
Do you know how to order these numbers in ascending order?
Yeah.
So, what number comes? Okay, let let Viraj explain, and then we'll go over how to do. Go ahead, go ahead, Viraj.
So I know like ascending order is from like biggest to smallest. So first I did 0.4 because it's like the other ones are negative and 4% is
Wait, isn't
0.0.
ascending smallest to greatest, not biggest to smallest?
That's true.
Wait. Well, I think you just said it wrong.
Ascending is what?
From bottom to up, like least to
Low
greatest.
to high. Ascend. The plane is ascending when you get on the plane. Okay.
Yeah, so
When you're about to reach your destination, it will descend. Descending order means down. See, descending means down, going down. Ascending order means going up. Go ahead, Viraj.
so I know that negative 11 is the smallest because like the other negatives around like negative 3, so negative 11, and then I think it's negative 3.5 because like 10 by 3 it's like not like 3 0.5, it's like 3.33. So,
Mhm.
and then after that, after that, I think it's negative 10 by 3 because it's the only negative left.
Mhm.
And then I think 4% because 0, 0.04 is less than 0.4 because like the percentage is like zero, like it's 2 decimal points back, or
Good job. Mm.
and then finally 0.4.
Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and identify these. Okay, for those of you, there are a couple of people who have not understood this at all. Okay, so let's try to help. Let's try to go over this. Okay, on a number line, when you put your positive and negative numbers on the number line, right? So first, let's put out the negative and positive numbers on the number line. Then we'll see where all these numbers go. So here I've given you a mixture of decimals, fractions, negative fractions, negative decimals, and percentages. So we need to be a little careful. First of all, when you put out your number line, right, let's say left side it keeps going. Okay, 0 has a positive side and a negative, meaning positive side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the more right side you go, the value of a number increases. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Negative, it has a negative side as well. So when you get on the negative side, one interesting thing is, as and when you go left, the value decreases. So -6 is less than -5. It's interesting. -6 value is less than -5. So what happens here? -3.5 should be in between this. So if I were you, I'll mark it down first. On a number, this is how error-free way of doing things. -3.5. Now minus 10 by 3. See, this is a decimal. This is a decimal. I can convert everything to decimals easily. So minus 10 by 3 is what? It's a negative number. So basically minus 10 divided by a plus 3, right? So 10 divided by 3 is what? 3 3s are 9. 10 again. 3.333333 negative. So 3.333 means it will come here. So minus 3.333333. So I got 2 of this. Now minus 11 is somewhere here. Okay. So I have 3 points now. Then 0.4, you all know it is somewhere here. Now what is this 4%? This symbol, right, can be substitute, meaning if you remove that symbol, what does it mean? Percent. That means per means divide,
Per 100.
means 100. So if you see something like a 4%, you just write out 4. You don't want to bring the percentage sign, keep on bringing it. No. Instead, remove that and just write it out as 4 by 100. Now, changing this to a decimal is very easy, 0.04. Make sense? So always if you have 4%, right? 4, when you remove this percentage sign, you just replace it by a divide by 100. When you do that, you can quickly change it to a decimal. So that is 0.04. Now, where is this 0.04? It's somewhere here. So how to order it in ascending order? -3. In ascending means lowest. -3.5. Leftmost is my lowest. Then I cannot write -3.33. What was its equivalent number given? -10 by 3. And then 0.04 was your 4%. And then what else? 0.4. But I did miss a -11. So -11 has to come on this side. I forgot to do this. Makes sense, guys? So this is ordering it in ascending order. Any questions? This was easy one, right? Aradhya, did you get that percentage thing?
Yeah.
Vaibhav, did you get it?
Yeah, I just forgot the -11. I thought the 0.4 looked like a 0.9.
Okay. But you understood how to arrange it?
Yeah.
You're aware of
I mean,
negative
like
numbers?
4% looks like 9%.
Oh, sorry. Hereafter, I'll write it legibly. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me ask you this. How about this? All of you, okay? Can you convert this to a fraction and a decimal? Can you convert this to a fraction and a decimal?
Wait.
Aha! Charan, your fraction is correct. Decimal is incorrect. Oh my God. That you should always simplify and send, right? Your decimal is correct, that.
Finish the answer.
That is right, Charan. You corrected it. Good job. Avi correct. Neil correct. Neil correct. But Neil, you have to simplify the fraction. Aradhya correct, ma. Viraj correct. So you're all good with this. See, that's why I said the 4th unit will fly. That's why I wanted you to do it at home. But many of you have not yet done. Sarvata correct. Who else? Arihan. Arihan, very nice. Be interactive like this, Arihan, as usual. Vian, that is incorrect. Vian, I told you, right? You cannot remove the percentage, and percentage has got its value. When you remove it, you cannot just like that write 0.5. It's not okay to write 0.5. What happened to the percentage sign? Percentage has got so much value in
Wait.
mathematics.
Okay, I got it.
No problem. Neil correct. Okay, I'll go ahead and quickly do. Vaibhav, should I wait for you?
I got the fraction. I'm just stuck on the decimal.
No problem. I'll help you. What is the fraction?
1/200th.
Oh, correct. That's it. Then you got everything. Now what do you do? 1 by 2 percentage you're going to divide by 100. But fractions you cannot divide, right? So what do you do? 1 by 2 times 1 by 100 is 1 by 200, which is great. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, fraction to a decimal, I'll tell you a very easy way. Okay. 1 by 200, how to change it to a decimal? It's so hard, right? But you know what? Tens, hundreds, thousands are our best friends in mathematics. They are our best friends. So, can I put it like this? 2 times 100. When I put it like this, I know 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 divide by 100. See, this when you have a decimal and you have your denominator as 100 means there are 2 zeros. So decimal moves to the left by 2. That's it. So answer is 0.005. Vaibhav, does it make sense?
Yeah.
So it's very, meaning think of it in a different way. Put your denominator as 2 times 100. Leave the 100 there. We want the 100. That's our best friend.
Priya.
Yeah.
What I did was instead of the 1 by 200, what I did was I did 0.5 by 100.
Perfect. I'm fine.
What I did was that I did I have 1/200. So I multiplied the 200 by 5 and the top by 5. Then I got 5 1,000, which is
5 by 1000. Yeah, I really like that again. See, he says 1 by 200 he has, right? He knows that he has to convert the denominator to 100,000, 110,000. Anything helps. Here we already have 200, so times 5 times 5. That is great. 5 by 1000. But you have to simplify this. Simplify this in the sense if you take it to a decimal, right? Remembering that the decimal point is at the end, right? It moves 3 digits to the right if you take this out because there are 3 zeros. So it is 0.005. That is also nice, guys. Okay. Now you see, basically the class is very strong, solid with fraction, decimal, percentages is what I see now. But let's see. Okay, how about this? Yeah, I really want to try this one. Sarvata, you finished all of unit 4 as well, right? The exercise problems.
Yes.
I know. How about this?
If x equals minus 12, and we did this one. X times 48. Which one is it? It's 45 minus. Is it minus 45 or was it plus 45? Got it.
Which one, ma? X is minus 12. Y is 4. Find the value of xy minus x divided by y.
I want my answer.
Did I get it right?
I don't know the answer. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Vian, I have to calculate and tell you. Wait.
Oh, could I explain this?
Absolutely. Wait a minute, ma. Let everybody send the answer. There are so many people to send, but definitely yes, Vian, you're very welcome. See, once you explain and all, only you'll get interested, excited about the class. So definitely feel free to wait. Minus 40. Oh, that is right, Vian. நாளைக்கு பார்த்துக்கலாம்ல.
Am I correct?
Class should have ended.
Sorry. Yeah, everybody sent it. I didn't see. What? Sarvata, no, Sarvata, you have to check. Sarvata, I really want you to check correct and send it to me. Vaibhav, I'll wait, no hurry at all.
Am I correct?
I already
Yes,
sent
all
my
of them are
answer.
from chapter 4.
I already
chapter
sent my
4.
answer.
Yeah, I'll check one by one. Don't worry at all. Viraj, it is incorrect. Viraj and Sarvata, I really want you to redo and send. Aradhya, correct. No.
I don't really get it.
I'll help you. If you don't really get it, I'm here to help you.
I can explain.
Correct. Okay. Vaibhav has an answer. Oh, wow. Vaibhav, correct. You want to explain?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody wanted to explain. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it was me.
Sorry. Vian wanted to explain. Vaibhav wanted to explain. You each of you can explain. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Go ahead.
So what I did was it said xy minus x minus y, and x and y was minus 12 and 4. So minus 12 times 4 was minus 48. Minus 48 minus 12.
That's where a couple of you committed
by
mistake.
4. So that would equal minus 48 minus 3, which would be minus 48 plus 3, which would be minus 45.
Yeah, and here I really want to again go back to Dutt and oh my gosh, Dutt and did you get that where you made a mistake, Sarvata and Dutt?
I got negative 45.
Yes.
That's what I put.
One of you made a mistake. Sarvata and Charana. No.
I understand where I made a mistake.
Okay, good. Now, Vaibhav, do you want to explain how you did?
What?
Do you want to explain how you did?
I did the exact same way.
Okay, good. So you know negative numbers, Vaibhav?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay. How about this? Okay, then that was something I was afraid of, honestly. But looks like you are on a roll. Okay.
Miss Priya, can I use the restroom really quick?
Yeah, please go ahead and come back, ma. Okay. How about you all know multiplication of fractions nicely, so I'm not going to do that in class. Let's see. Yeah, how about this? This is a good one to do. I want to see how you do. This is an easy one. Okay. Okay. Oh, I missed the problem, guys. Give me a minute. I wanted to work on one particular problem. I think I missed it. Hold on. forgot. 1 second. Must be earlier. Chapter 4. Yeah, it was more of a critical thinking problem. Give me a minute. Sorry, I missed it. This one. I don't know the answer. We're all going to do it together, okay? But take your time, think, do it in different ways and try and let me know. Come on, guys. You can take your time. Vaibhav, I feel like you're more confident this week, right, Vaibhav?
Yeah, I did a lot of problems, so I'm a little bit more
Yeah,
confident.
I can see it. That's why you're getting everything right and you seem to be on a roll. Good job. I really appreciate it. Did you like it or did you get overwhelmed?
I liked it.
Oh, nice. Okay, that's very nice. Okay.
Did I get it right?
1 second, Amma.
Plus n. N plus 1. 36.
N plus 1.
Wait, I want to do it. Is it phi? Because phi. Could phi it be it? Could phi be it? Huh?
No. None of you got it. I told you, right? This is more of a thinking problem. You just missed, some of you missed by just a tad bit.
Wait,
Phi?
wait.
I don't know where you missed, guys. Though.
I think mine is right.
Yeah, I thought mine's right too.
Okay, who all think yours is right? Tell me.
Me.
Vian thinks, then what? Who else?
Me.
Avi, huh?
Yeah.
Avi thinks he's right, huh? Maybe. No, not really, Avi. I see, I told you, you have to think a little bit. Are you missing out something? Or are you adding anything extra? Or are you leaving out something? That's the only question to Avi Vian. Yes, Aradhya, you have something to say?
What's the answer?
Did my corrected answer, is that right?
1 second, what are they doing? Okay. Yeah, I know where you all made a mistake. Whoever said 9, you all made a mistake.
Well, I didn't say 9.
Arihan, what happened? You're still thinking? Without your answer, I cannot proceed, you know?
I don't get some of it like this if what if it's infinity be like it'd be like a positive. Oh, how many positive integers?
36 by n plus 1 means
It
this
could be
has to
like,
be an integer means this has to be a divisor or a factor of what?
okay, so like I'm just asking. It could just it's possible there could be infinite values because it can be 35, 71, like
Wait,
every time you want to
I got it now.
add 36 to
I think
So it has to be
correct.
Arihan. Yeah, 1 minute, Amma. 1 minute. Let me finish. Arihan, it has to be a factor. The denominator has to be a factor of 36. That's a big clue.
Wait, could you like check if I got it right now?
Yes, absolutely. Are we correct?
I got it right.
Vian, no Vian.
factor.
Avi, do you want to explain?
Yes,
What?
can you explain?
What?
Do you want to explain? Your
Yeah.
answer
Yeah.
was correct.
So I did the prime factorization, so it would be 36. Like the prime factorization would be 18 and 2. Then it would be 9 and 2. Then it would be 3 and 3. So now you have 3 squared times 2 squared, yeah? You do 3 times 3 minus 1. Because 6 times 6 is the same, is like that's like a square, so you only have one of those.
That's true. There are 9 factors, but how come your answer is 9? How come your answer is original answer is 8? Okay, but there are 9 factors of 36. What happens? What happened? Why did that one go?
Because 6 times 6 equals 36. So, and that would be essentially be the same number. So you're technically taking out one factor.
Not really, right? 9 factors included the fact that 6 did not have its pair. Avi, you missed out on what? See, how did the see? Okay, let me go through this. 36 by n plus 1, correct? So n plus 1 should be a divisor of 36. What are the divisors of 36? See, if you do like this, right, the quicker way of whatever I described in class, right, just because you followed it, you did not understand what were the factors. Go the usual way, the longer way. 1, 36, 2, 18. Sometimes the longer way works better. 3, 12, 4, 9. How many factors are there? 6, right? So 1 second, guys. Sorry, 1 minute. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have a 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Here, I want to make one observation. 36 is a square number. So the number of factors for it is odd. If you don't have a square number, the number of factors will always have their pairs, and it will be the number of factors will be an even number. Yeah. See, this is a square number, means the number of factors will be odd. For any other even number, right? The factors will always appear in pairs. So the number of factors will be even. That's a good note that you should know, that for a perfect square, the number of factors will always be odd. Now, coming to 36 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now, all of these numbers can go into the denominator. One can go. If one goes, the denominator can be 1, the denominator can be 2, the denominator can be 3, denominator can be 4, denominator can be 6, denominator can be 9, denominator can be 12, denominator can be 18, denominator can be 36, right? But if that is the case, right, what happens? What are the possible values of what are the positive integer for how many positive integer values of n?
I think I get it now because
What happened?
I
Which one?
I didn't see the 36 and 1 factor.
So, okay. So now, so how many now with this, I've given you a big clue now. So all these can go into the denominator. Now, can you tell me for how many positive integer values of n they're asking? See, this is a tricky question actually. That's why I said we are going to do this in detail. Now, if the denominator can be 1, n value can be 0. If the denominator is 2, n value is 1. If the denominator is 3, n value is 2. Similarly, for 4, n value is 3. For 6, n value is 5. For 9, n value is 8. Okay. For 12, n value is 11. Things seem very easy, but see what is happening. There was one minor thing that many of you missed, whoever said 9. N is equal to 11. N is equal to 17 for 18. And for 36, n is equal to 35. So, how many n values are there? How many possible n values are there?
9.
9. But the question is asking for how many positive integer values. Which all are positive integer values here? Is
Everything
0 a
except
positive
0.
integer?
No.
It is an integer, but it is neither positive nor negative. So 0 has to be excluded, and we have this many answers, which is 8. Makes sense? So this problem really tells you how important it is to read the question. Okay, so 0 was not a positive integer value, so it was excluded. So the only answers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 11, 17, 35, making it 8. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so for this week, we will just finish up alchemist 2-3 topics and then do 4. I'll keep you posted. I'm going to reiterate on chapter 4. Only when you do chapter 4 nicely and fully, I can get going with the next chapters. Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
No.
Okay, guys.
No.
Have it. Probably next week I'll cancel, guys, because I have some sessions where I'll have to mandatorily attend. Okay. So I'll let you know, but usually this does not happen, but this was already planned. Okay. If that is the case, we'll have the makeup the following week, which is a break week before we start fall classes. Fall classes will start from August 2nd week. I will send out the calendar, welcome email, registration form, everything will come through. Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay.
Nope.
See you all soon. Please do at least 10 problems every day in Alchemist. Okay. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to stay. Yes, ma. Yes, Arihan, tell me.
What was it?
What's your question?
Oh, I didn't have a question.
Oh, you didn't have any questions? Good job. But remember, you are on track to CB. You'll have to CB in the end of the year. So I want you to do the homework and submit. Alchemist, you have to be perfect. Next week, you're going to share screen. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Arihan.
So I'll remind my dad to put me on Alchemist.
Oh, your dad put you on Alchemist already?
No, I'll remind my dad to do it because he forgot.
You please do. Okay?
Okay, so it said I can't go on it myself. I don't have the password to the computer.
You have to coordinate with your dad. Okay, I'll send him a reminder, okay?
Okay.
I'll send him a reminder and I'll tell him that the homework has been given on that and Arihan is yet to show me. Okay, so he'll definitely get you. Okay?
Okay.
Bye, Arihan. Have a nice week ahead.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, Avi or Vian or Vaibhav. You tell me. Avi, what's up?
So what's the homework again?
I will put it out in detail in the classroom. In the alchemist piece, I really want you to get through till divisibility. There's a lot of topics, right?
I don't know. I didn't see.
Yeah. But are you finding it interesting or are you getting overwhelmed, Avi?
Well, it's not hard. So
Mm.
like I feel like it's like fun.
Come again? It's not
It's
hard.
it's not like too hard. So like I feel like it's kind of fun.
Oh, that's nice. Then do it, okay? Every day 10, 15, have it. You will be there, okay? And you know the amount of solidifying you make by doing that? I promise in 6 months you'll be good, very good in math. Okay. Any questions, Avi? Any other questions?
No, but I think my dad might want to talk to you or something.